So I'm going to plug in the first device. What you see, the count will increase from 0 to 1. Plug in the second device, and centipede fashion. The count is now 2, and then plug in the third device. The device count is now 3. So basically, yeah, when you create or restore, well, this is a creating a wallet. I have to give it a name, so I'm just gonna say Blizzard. Blizzard is a good name, I think so. So yeah, it's Blizzard, and then you see the 3 devices. What I didn't know when I started making these was that basically as you start typing, the devices write what you're typing. So if you can see below that, the black device, which I'm calling black, is actually writing black there. So this helps for you to know which device is which, right? So if you see, I would just swap to my other phone as a secondary camera. Yeah, I'm gonna call the other one gray, and as you can see, that's not gray, so I'm gonna call it red. And yeah, so I think this is a great feature that the guys at Frostsnap actually implemented. It actually helps you track which device is which, right, while you are setting it up. So yeah, I think the other thing I should have tried is kind of to show, oh no, but I think when you're setting it up, they're supposed to all be connected. Yeah, the restore process is a little different. So now, yeah, I have them set up. This was me just showing that, okay, basically, when you type it changes the name on the device. So I wanted to say something like BlackBerry just to show that when you type it shows something else. And yeah, so you can select what type of threshold you want. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, or 3 of 3. So we're gonna do 2 of 3 because it's always fun doing that. And now it's doing a security check, right? And yeah, so now you're just supposed to say or just check that the devices are all showing the same checksum. When I did the final things after the video, this is another thing I didn't realize when I had the devices initially. These are actually a touch screen, right? So maybe you notice there I tapped it like twice. So this is my first time even realizing that this is all a touch screen. So, and I feel like the feedback and use is so great, and yeah, they did a great job here with the guys at Frostsnap. So this actually also ends up in your descriptor, right? So at the end, which I'm not going to show because privacy is a thing. So yeah, I say yes, and cool. I think now it's set up and it's asking me if I didn't see the animation there actually. So that's a point to them. They did it like an animation, celebration animation, where the message for backing up overrides that. So yeah, this is the message. I'm not gonna do a backup because why you need a backup anyway, you only live once. So yeah, this is what the wallet looks like. Zero balance. Now I'm just gonna send some funds